You don't need a fancy garage or expensive tools to work on your own car. But if your workspace is messy or unsafe, it will slow you down, waste money, and can cause injuries. In this video, I'll show you how to build a safe, efficient home mechanic workspace, even from scratch. Section 1. Why your workspace matters. Most people think tools are everything. They're not. Your workspace affects safety, speed, accuracy, and motivation. A bad setup leads to lost tools, broken parts, injuries, and frustration. A good setup makes even basic tools work better. Section 2. Choosing the right location. You don't need a full garage. Best options include a single-car garage, driveway with a canopy, or a carport. What matters most is flat ground, enough space to open doors, good ventilation, and access to power. Avoid working on slopes or soft ground. Safety starts with location. Section 3. Flooring, the foundation. Your floor matters more than you think. Best flooring options are concrete, rubber mats, or interlocking tiles. Good flooring prevents slips, protects tools, improves comfort, and makes cleanup easy. Tip: use cardboard or a rubber mat under the car to catch oil. Section 4. Lighting. See what you're doing. Bad lighting causes mistakes. A minimum setup includes overhead LED lights, a portable work light, and a headlamp. Use white light, reduce shadows, and light the area from multiple angles. Good lighting makes work faster and safer. Section 5. Electrical setup and power. Power makes work easier. You'll need extension cords, a surge protector, and a battery charger. If possible, install multiple outlets and avoid overloading circuits. Never use damaged cords. Electricity and oil are a dangerous mix. Section 6. Ventilation and air quality. Never ignore airflow. Exhaust fumes, brake cleaner, and solvents can be dangerous. Use open doors, fans, exhaust fans, or work outdoors when possible. Never run engines in closed spaces. Section 8. Workbench setup. Your workbench is your command center. It should be heavy, stable, and at a comfortable height with a strong surface. Essentials include a vise, magnetic tray, tool mat, and bench light. Keep it clean, organized, and ready to use. Section 9. Tool organization. Lost tools waste time. Best organization methods include a tool chest, pegboard wall, drawer organizers, and magnetic strips. Group tools by function, size, and frequency of use. Label drawers if possible. Essential starter tools. You don't need everything at once. Start with a socket set, wrenches, screwdrivers, torque wrench, pliers, hammer, and breaker bar. Buy quality basics first. Cheap tools break and cause injuries. Section 10. Lifting and safety equipment. Never trust just a jack. You must have jack stands, wheel chocks, a floor jack, and a creeper. Personal safety gear includes gloves, safety glasses, and hearing protection. Your safety always comes first. Section 11. Storage for fluids. Fluids can be dangerous if mishandled. Seal containers tightly, label everything, store away from heat, and keep them off the floor. Use funnels and drip trays to prevent spills. Section 12. Cleanliness equals efficiency. A clean workspace is a productive workspace. Daily habits include wiping tools, sweeping floors, and disposing of rags properly. Oil-soaked rags can catch fire, so store them in metal containers. Section 13. Budget-friendly tips. You don't need to spend big. Save money by buying used tools, building your own workbench, repurposing shelves, and upgrading over time. Focus on function, not looks. Section 14. Noise and neighbors. Be respectful of others. Work during daylight, use rubber mats, and avoid late-night grinding. Good relationships save headaches. Section 15. Planning your workflow. Efficiency matters. Lay out tools before starting, keep parts grouped, and take photos during disassembly. This prevents mistakes and saves time. Section 16. Fire safety and emergency prep. Never ignore emergencies. You should have a fire extinguisher, a first aid kit, and an emergency contact list. Always know where exits are. Section 17. Expanding over time. Start simple and upgrade later. Future upgrades can include an air compressor, impact wrench, and diagnostic scanner. Build your setup as your skills grow. Section 18. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid poor lighting, no jack stands, cluttered floors, cheap extension cords, and ignoring ventilation. Most accidents happen because of shortcuts. Section 19. Make it your space. Your workspace should motivate you. Add wall posters, tool labels, and music. A space you enjoy is a space you'll use. You don't need a professional garage. You need a safe setup, good lighting, organization, and smart planning. A good workspace saves time, money, stress, and keeps you safe. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and comment Home Garage. Tell me, garage or driveway, beginner or experienced mechanic? See you in the next video.